Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off keyboard sound on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, first thing first here, of course, I'm going to display my keyboard first. Here at the keyboard, if I press key here, there are a sound here guys, like this. And if you want to turn it off, you just have to tap on this settings icon at the top of keyboard and now go to the preferences. And after, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find this sound on key press. You just have to turn off the button beside it. And after, here I'm gonna check it first. I'm gonna try on. If I key press on this keyboard, there are no sound anymore guys. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. A tutorial how to turn off keyboard sound on a Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.